Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Hello, coin collectors, young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today, I'm going to see if I have any additions for my dollar book. Mainly the Loonies section because the other section is complete. But I have a roll of Loonies here, and we'll go through here and see if there are any folder fillers or any upgrades. So we'll get into that right after this. Welcome back. So let's get the book out of the way for the moment, and we'll break into this roll. And this one is taped. So let me remove the tape. And yeah, let's break that. Why do people do this? I know it's because they want to make sure they stay closed. Well, there we go. And we'll get rid of this. And we'll start off with $19.89. Oh, that's off screen. Sorry about that. $19.89. And the last one is 2014. So now I'll take out the book and see if I have any folder fillers. And for this, so let me grab those pages so that I can. So let's go here, and that is, what year is that? $2019. So I do have a couple of folder fillers here because I need 2021. I need 2020. 2019 I have, but that could be a folder, that could be an upgrader. 2018. I have to flip it for 2018. 2019. Okay, 2018 is a folder filler. And this one, that is a 2017 commemorative, and that is a folder filler, which is different from here, the Grey Cup. I have the Grey Cup commemorative, but that's 2012. Now let's look here. 2015. Let me look. 2015 I have, but it's in pretty rough shape. So that may be an upgrade. And 2014. Okay, so yes, the 2014s are an upgrade. Okay, and here we have, what year is this one? 2007. So I'll back up. 2007 is, that will not be an upgrade, and nor will it be a folder filler. Just let me double check the other side, make sure it's not Cooper Kist, and it's not. So that's a reject. And 1995 is a folder filler. 1996 is a folder filler. 1987 is not a folder filler, and the one in there is pretty nice. So let's go here. And these are 1988. I think they're all 1988. Oh, 1988 and 89. So we must have here 1987, 88, those are 88, 88, 88, that one's an 87. Okay, so let me double check. So 89, let's look. 89 is a folder filler, so I'll pick the best of those. And 88 is not a folder filler, but let's see if we have any good ones in here. Definitely not that one. No. 88. Let's look at the other side. Nope. Nope. One in there is better than all of these. And this is an 87, which I have one. So let's check to see which one's better. The one that's in there looks better on that side. So we'll check the other side. No Crimper's Kiss, so that one's a reject. So I'll be right back when I put these in, and I'll show you what we have. Welcome back, and we have, I'll let you know what we added in here. And of course, as you can see, we didn't do quite as well with this week's roll as we did with the Toonies roll last week. And this is we still have a lot of holes to fill, but our folder fillers was 1989, which is here, 1989, and there's the other side. And that's all we got on this page. Nothing on this page. And a lot missing here. And the next one we got is 2014, which is, I have to flip it to the Queen side because they moved the dates to the Queen side, which is this one here. And so we probably can upgrade this one at some point, but that's the folder filler. 2017, which is, let me double check. 2017, which is this Canada 150 coin here. And I'll give you a blow up of this coin. And a 2020, which is here. And a 2021 here. We got no additional commemoratives, which would go here. Because this is an NIFC, so that's a not intended for circulation commemorative, whereas these ones were circulation commemoratives here and back here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 add additions to the book and 1 upgrade. How cool is that? That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.
Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my way. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing.
If I'm being honest, loving you the hardest thing to do, so I keep to myself. I feel like I'm falling in and out of consciousness, yeah.